High performance to me is having an absolute conviction, commitment, passion for achieving the mission, whatever the mission happens to be. And when you have that conviction for the mission and other things become secondary to that, it enables higher performance. So if I'm more concerned about the outcome for customers than I am about my career growth, if I'm more concerned about the outcome for customers than I am the dynamics between me and some other employee, right? If I'm more concerned about the outcome than some constraints that are imposed on me, whether it's a lack of resources or some other constraint, absolute commitment to the mission enables you to sort of practice those behaviors that lead to high performance. It has to be a culture of feedback. It has to be a culture of, constant iteration and improvement in performance. It's got to, in our world, it has to be a culture of listening to customers ruthlessly, right? Asking why, and then asking why again, and then asking why again until you fully understand customers. It means understanding customers and not just what they need from the software, but what they need to sleep at night and enjoy their family on the weekends. So this sort of just absolute commitment to that mission. And then I think what goes along with that is a personal pride and determination. So owning the outcome and taking satisfaction in delivering against high standards. I think it's the combination of those two things that leads to high performance.